You think so? I think so too. These ingredients I need for the dish. And now is onion. .500 grams of fine Basmati rice. The water is 60 degrees. Leave it to soak. Hi guys, I'm Semyon. Today's video is the first video in my channel fully spoken in English. Hope you understand. So, some years back ago I did my final project on Omirbek. Did you hear about him? Yes? No? What's about Hoja Nasreddin? Or Juha? Or Herschel in Jewish folklore? Okay, I guess it's time to meet him. One day, Omirbek and his wife came to the Qadi. That's how the judge is called in the Islamic tradition, and asked for divorce. The Qadi was puzzled. What happened? Don't you love each other anymore? That's not the problem we have, answered Omirbek. My bed is too narrow for 4 people who sleep there every night. The Qadi then was really intrigued. How come? What are they doing there? Who else sleeps in your bed besides you two? Well, it's a bit complicated, answered Omirbek. Every night my dead wife comes to sleep with us. And not to be bored, also my wife's dead husband jumps in there too. In my case, my bed is my kitchen. And I really don't care how many late and alive spouses live there. In my bed, there is space for amazing Uzbek pilaf, as well as Bukhara Jewish pilafs, all kinds of Persian pilafs, and many others. So, today I will make an amazing dish based on Shah Pilaf from Azerbaijan. Saffron, it's 100 milligram, not too much, and заваривается saffron. So, Shah Pilaf is my inspiration. I will use the traditional cooking technique enriched with some secret ingredients. And hi, no meat today. Why? Very easy. We are about to celebrate Shavuot holiday. And on Shavuot, according to Jewish tradition, only dairy and vegetarian dishes are served. So, I'm paying tribute to this tradition, but don't worry. Our Shah Pilaf will be really tasty and nutritious. And now, a little bit ghee, here and there. A little bit turmeric. Okay, I'm frying chestnuts. Okay, it's enough. More ghee. Okay. The black one. Look, 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 look how it looks now. Like a fresh fruits. Okay. Next. Golden berry. More ghee. Whoop. Pistachio and almonds. Ghee, it's necessary. It's finished. That's enough. Wow, it's beautiful. I'm looking for myself. I had before the world was made. And where I find myself? Here or there? Or there? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very good smell. Without frying, it's not bad. Little bit water. We'll leave it for now. I will boil some water now for the rice. That's a lot of water. I think it's something like 4 liters for 500 grams of rice. Salt. I'm cooking the rice till it's half ready. It's a good condition for rice. I have 7 tortillas, special for that size of pot. The first one. I'm doing something like that. And I'm making the star. And what I have, it's 1. I'm cutting in the middle. So. And a little bit saffron. And now on the rice pillow, these guys in the middle. Now with saffron. In the middle. And I'm closing. Little bit more ghee. Bye bye. 1 hour and we're going to rest. Time to take it from oven. Nice color. It's really nice color. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Ha! It's wonderful. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. And now time to cut it?
Yes.
What is your favorite color?
Yellow.
Blue?
Yellow.
Wrong. This color is favorite. Okay. Думаю, что так это будет лучше. Okay.
Nice.
You think so?
Yes.
I think so too.
Looks really busy.
Very good smell. The rice. It's very tasty, delicious. This one. It's gazmach. This is a good crust. This one is great. The best. Even without meat, It's fantastic dish. Would you like to taste it? No, that's mine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, press like, write a comment, share with friends. See you in the next video. I wish you all peace, love and bon appetit.